Let's see, I got a freezer down. She said the fans aren't running. But I got a super frosty line right there. Said the evaporator fans aren't running. So let's go in and see what's going on. Alright, let's see what we got. Oh, baby. Clear coil. Don't hear anything running though. Wait a minute, I hear defrost. Sounds like it's in defrost right now. I can hear the strips are on. Maybe it's stuck in defrost. Let's get up there and look. Well, it's in defrost. It's got the little defrost light there. So I don't know if I just caught it in defrost or the timer's off. I think the timer's off. Right now I think it's saying it's 4 a.m. This thing ain't got nothing in it. Or it's full. I don't know, the sight glass is clear, but oh, there's a birdie sleeping there. We have to get the gauges hooked up to it. I don't even know what time it is. It is 12:10 p.m. I don't know yet. I just... What are we talking about? That's on the exhaust fan. Gauges on it. It's running. So we're right there. Let's keep an eye on it. We're going to be here a few minutes. So I'm going to get some gauges on it. See if those exhaust fans come on downstairs. Not exhaust fans, evaporator fans. Maybe the time clock's sticking, not going into defrost. We'll see. Do I have one on the truck? I don't know. Maybe. Oh, let me get some gauges on it. Sounds a little empty. Sounds, I'll have to put the gauges on there, no pressure. Yeah, she's sounding a little light. Sounding a little light. Assuming this is 404. It's 404. And we'll get into smart probes. Yeah, she's light. 5.2 psi. She's empty. The coil's dirty as hell. Coil's dirty. I have to get the CO2 tank up here because I haven't got my water. CO2 tank up here. Bright and sunny up here. Let's see. I got 1.3. Downstairs I got like half a coil filled. Fan's not on yet because I'm only going to put little in here. See what it does. See if my fans come on. I'm running for about 10 minutes now. Maybe not that long. I'm gonna have to go down and check my fans too. Maybe that's the whole reason why we're not doing what we should. Let me let it run for a little bit. See what happens. See if the fans come on. Alright, so got looking for power. I got power to all my fans. If I peek behind here, that fitting is just blown apart. That's power for the fans right there. So I'm gonna have to slice and dice that one. It looks like it's been sliced and diced before. I think the previous tech out here working on it last year had the same problem. I don't know. We'll get it apart and see. Yeah, so way that other fan comes in, it comes in over here, comes to this plug, wire nutted. So I'm just gonna wire nut all the fans together. So that was the main source of power for the fans. Jeez, oh Pete. Let me get this cut out. I gotta get these wire nuts cut out and all their fan cut out, and we'll just wire nut it all together and get the fans running. It is Saturday, so I ain't got no supply houses open for anything. This thing is toast. Alright, because I got voltage, I was like, why are my fans starting? So that's when I started getting into this stuff. I don't have any place to set you. I'm just wire nutting this stuff up. So and me putting refrigerant in was useless. We'll see what happens when the fans start. Alright, you watch here while I turn on the breaker. Make sure there's no sparks. We got fans. Let me get the fan blades back on. Stupid crap. on. Let me get the guards on. Alright, side panel's on. Up there. Guards are on. There we go. So we're up and running. A little bit of pressure, no bubbles in the sight glass. I'm gonna wrap this thing up, make sure my time clock's moved, and it has. What time is it now? I had the power off for a little bit. Actually, I'm gonna, oh, we're good. Let me get it back together. Little extra squirt of refrigerant ain't gonna hurt it. Alright, let me get this thing back together. Well, you know, it's always the Saturday refrigeration call. Well, what are you gonna do? I should have checked those fans before I started instead of dumping refrigerant in there, but what I dumped in there is not gonna make a difference. You know, it's got a bigger receiver on it. So other than that, just bad connections on the fans. As soon as I got the fans up and running, everything was good. Besides, it went into defrost. You know, I'm trying to button everything up and trying to take, you know, my final temperature before I leave, just to make sure that it's dropping. Damn thing shut right off. Everything shut off. I was like, you're kidding me. What did I do? I thought it blew a breaker or something. And no, it just went into defrost. That's what it did. But bumped it out of defrost, changed the time by an hour or so, and it was good to go. But other than that, it's just a regular everyday refrigeration call. Not anything too terrible. I think it was back about a year ago, the guy, one of the other techs had taken a connection out of there just like I did, and so I think it just put too much torque on that, or too much flex on that that one connector that was left. So it probably just, the vibration, everything just kind of pulled it out. But that's it for this one. You guys know what you need to do. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.